Finding Solutions Logistics, this is Bay 1, proceed to Dock C.
Copy that, Bay 1. Rolling back now.
Keep them moving to the right chute. Copy that. Maintaining spacing now. System check complete. All parameters are optimal.
Excellent. Another successful implementation by Finding Solutions. Vitals look good. The scan confirms early pregnancy. Excellent. Let's get the blood sample drawn.
The vitals look strong. Heart rate is steady.
Ultrasound confirms no issues with the liver.
You're doing great. Nice and calm. Keep the pace steady. Control Group 4 is approaching the gate.
Confirmed. Pathway is clear. All systems green. At Finding Solutions, precision is our standard. Advanced automations ensures absolute consistency, delivering quality.
Texture looks perfect on this batch.
Keep the flow steady. We are hitting targets.
Check this section here. Looks good, completely smooth. Pressure looks good on the readout. Acknowledged. The flow rate is stable.
This shipment meets the quality standard.
Acknowledged. Proceed to the scanning area.